Hey Mark, what happened to the lid to your snow peak? That's what I want to know. I've looked everywhere except for where it is. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's get rid of the view screen so I don't look at it. Time for another giveaway. I know I just did one, but you know, you guys are worth it. Worth it that much and more. I've already drawn the winners. I got them written down. So what I'm going to be doing, I realized I just left it on the tail. Alright, so my water was ready, so I figured I would go ahead and get my coffee prepped. Ah, ooh, that is warm. Man, I'm really digging this pour over set. I'm just using a butane burner today. So the giveaway prize is going to be one of these grills for 3 people. I guess I can work while I talk. Just glad I'm not chewing gum. I'd be in chaos. But yeah, I'm going to do 3 winners for one of these grills I did a video on. So if you commented on that video, you're entered. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to offer you a choice. So if you want the grill or pot stand, whatever you want to call it, in this case coffee cup holder, I will send you one. If you already bought one, what I'm going to offer you is a choice. So you can either go for the grill, or I will send you basically whatever you want, around 20 bucks of Amazon, because I'm a Prime member, and I figured I could take advantage of my free shipping and send it to you for nothing, except, you know, they paid for the membership, but that's all right. So if it ends up being just a little bit more than 20, if it's like 23, 24, I'm not going to sweat it, because, you know, it's just a couple of bucks and I don't have to pay for shipping anyway. So it'll give you a chance to buy what you want versus a grill you may already have. But if the grill is what you want, I'll be more than happy to send it to you. And no issue there. If you want like a cook pot or a kettle or a knife or something else, we can talk and email and figure something out. Oh, come on. I don't want to spill my coffee. There we go. Sweet. Alright, cheers to your good health. Yum. Also, yeah, I had to stop and buy one. Old-fashioned donuts are my favorite. Oh man. Oh. I wish they hadn't glazed it though. Old-fashioned unglazed are the best because they've got those crispy edges going around. Fantastic. Damn. It's alright though. Oh man. I'm sorry, I gotta turn the camera off and enjoy this. Oh man, I'll tell you what. When you eat your donut, and you take a bite, and then you take a sip of coffee, and the hot, coffee hits that glaze and melts in your mouth. Phenomenal. So a quick little fun fact, when I did the video for this chair that's still in the back of my truck, I heard someone commented that it came with a little extra leg. Well, while I was standing here drinking my coffee, I looked down on the ground and it was sitting right there on the ground. So I found the leg for it because no one cleaned up. So, money. Put that back in his bag. Alright, let's go ahead and draw the winners. And I'll come right back and congratulate them and whatnot. So, let's cut right to the drawing. Alright, so I'm kind of jumping all over the place here a little bit, so my apologies. I want to do a real quick honorable mention and shout out to two gentlemen because they've been going through, they've been watching past videos and they've been commenting, and that's Mike DeFazio. If I'm saying your name wrong, I do apologize. And Crazy Horse Johnny 1974. Now these guys have been going through and commenting on a lot of past videos, so I wanted to let you know how much I appreciate that. So much so, I actually took your names. I put your names in there each time, 5 times each, because you've been going through and watching past videos and commenting. So your names are in there 5 times with everybody else. So Mike's in there 5 times, and Johnny's in there 5 times, and then everyone else's name's in there. So real quick. Alrighty. First of all, let's give it a really good stir. Get these names mixed up well. We're going to need 3 of them. So make sure I'm actually recording. I am. Well, one fell out, so perfect. 3 names. So we have Crazy Horse Johnny 1974. Sweet. We have, my brother Steven, SMB 482000. Sweet. And finally, we have, I might butcher your name, but Don Henricks. I hope I'm saying that right. Congratulations, brothers. As I said, contact me through email and we'll work something out. Very good. Alrighty. Well, congratulations to the winners, all 3 of you. To give you a better look, this is a giveaway prize. I'm going to be doing either one of these grills, or, looks like I'm in jail, or a $20 Amazon purchase. If it goes over, we can discuss it in email. It's not a problem if it's $24.99, whatever. So either the grill or something that you get to pick. So, I mean, I wish I could give one to everybody, but, you know, Google only pays me so much. For those of you who are griping again, potentially, that you didn't win, or or your name wasn't entered because you weren't commenting well, you know, I've now done this, what, 5 times? So, you know, it seems a pretty clear track record of what's going on. So, and if you're ever wondering how to help a little channel, watch the videos and go find old videos and watch them. You know, if you're at work and you're able to watch YouTube at work, you can just let the video run in a new tab. Just mute it or kill the sound and just let it run all the way through, ads and all. Because YouTube is putting ads on every video regardless if it's monetized or not. So unfortunately there's going to be ads on this one. There's not much I can do about that. It's a YouTube thing, you know, they are a business. You know, I just wish they had more relevant ads to the channel, like outdoor ads like knives and cookware and all this other stuff. I don't know why those people don't advertise more. That's the kind of ads I'd like to see on the channel, but you know, I can't pick my ads. I've actually thought about doing my own because I thought it would be funny, but you know, ads are just annoying. Anyway, congrats to the winners again. I will be sending you an email tomorrow morning. I'm going to let my buddy Steven know, because we're Facebook buddies, that he won, and see what he wants to do. If he wants to just pick something on Amazon, and I will send it to you. And as always, I guarantee 2 more giveaways after this. and then who knows after that. So we'll see what happens. So as always, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.